Hi, we are from Group 7. This group consists of Siti Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Kamaruddin, Rabiatul Amira binti Muhammad Sharun, Nur Syuhada binti Muhammad Saleh, Nur Syatira binti Muhammad Sayuti. Hi, my name is Rabiatul Amira binti Muhammad Sharun, metric number A20A1916. Data description. This data set show that by education level, gender and age in Malaysia in 2001 until 2019 taken from the Department of Statistik Malaysia. A quantitative variable is a variable that can only take numerical values. Quantitative variables are divided into two. First, discrete variable and continuous variable. In this study, the variable used were discrete variables. Discrete variable can only take a certain value or take a computable number. The field involved is the field of human resources management. Information on the number of trend wage rates, employee salaries and employee turnover, rate of accidents served by employees, rate of number of employees on sick leave, and number of employees absent. In general, data can be obtained from experimental and historical record. In some cases, it may not be beneficial to run an experiment. In many cases, data needs to be taken from a reliable sources, in example, through records that have taken place.
Okay, hi, my name is Siti Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Kamaluddin. Metric number A20A1974. For this part, I will explain about statistical representation for gender. Male is recorded as much as 60% of a total of 20 people. Meanwhile, for the female, it recorded in total as much as 50% of a total of 20 people. For education part, community mortality at the education level is the highest at 52%, equivalent to 21 people. Community mortality at the diploma education level recorded a percentage of 33%, equivalent to 9 people. Community mortality at the degree level show a percentage of 35%, equivalent to 10 people. For the last part of this is age. At the age of less than 34 years old, the number of deaths recorded as many as 8 people, equivalent to 20%. At the age of 25 to 24 years old, recorded the death of 5 people, equivalent to 13%. Community mortality at the age of 35 to 44 years is as much as 25%, equivalent to 10 people. The highest community mortality was at the age of more than 55 years old, which was 17 people.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syatira binti Muhammad Sayuti. Metric number A20A1788. Today I want to present about numerical descriptive measures. Numerical descriptive measures have three parts, which is measure of central tendency, measure of position, and measure of variation. Number one is measure of central tendency. Mean. Sum of data entries divided by number of entries. Sample mean. The formula of sample mean. Sum of all values in the sample over by number of values in the sample. For example, age group for below 24, the answer is 1.3. 25 until 34, 0.83. 35 until 44, 1.7. Above 45, the answer is 2.83. Total 6.66. Next is a median. Median is the midpoint of the values after they have been ordered from the minimum to the maximum values. For example, 2, 5, 5, 7, 8, 13. The midpoint is 5 and 7. So, 5 plus 7 over 2. So, the answer is 12 over 2. And the last is 6. While mode, the data entry that occurs with the greatest frequency. So the greatest frequency is above 45 age group. Secondly, measures of position, quartile. For example, 36/4, the answer is 9. This is from age group 25 to 34. Last but not least, measure of variation. Have 3: range, variance, and standard deviation. For example, range, the formula of range is maximum data entry minus minimum data entry. So, 17 minus 2, the answer is 15. Therefore, the range of death by gender, education level, and age group in Malaysia is 15 people. While variance and standard deviation, this is the formula, population variance.
Hello, my name is Nashahada binti Muhammad Saleh, matrix number A20A1844. I will present about theoretical modeling. For model summary, the R-square value is 0.7 for x, which means 74/8%. For the variation in total can be explained by age and gender. For coefficient, the equal total number of that index 1351123.398 minus 71445 for x and plus 0.006 for gender. Truth, for every increase in year, total number of that index will drop by 71445 provided the gender remain unchanged. Same for every increase in gender, the number of that index will go up by 0.006. And the last one, test of normality. The sharpened weight test of normality on the residue give a p value of 0.765, which is less than 0.05. Thus, the exception of normality of the residual term is not met. That's all. Thank you.